find the indefinite integral. So we got bunch of questions here. So in part A, we got 7 over square root of t. This is just a constant that we can pull outside. Now we need to get rid of this fraction as there is no quotient rule. Root t means on the bottom, this is just t raised to 1/2. Move this up. So this integral can be rewritten as move 7 outside, integral, this move up, t raised to negative 1/2. And we got dt there. Now this is like some x raised to power n and same variable dx. When we integrate, we get x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. As long as n is not equal to negative 1, we don't get 0 on the bottom, so this is good. Okay, n should not be equal to negative 1. We have negative 1/2, so that's not the case. So let's apply that rule. So 7 times t raised to negative 1/2 plus 1. So I'm taking integral using this rule. Negative 1/2 plus 1 means positive 1/2 divided by same number 1/2 plus c, that is constant of integration. Then this is it, our 1/2. This is kind of complex fraction. Move this to the front, so we need to flip 2 over 1. 7 times 2 over 1, 7 times 2, 14 over 1, and t raised to 1/2. We can write square root of t, or t raised to 1/2 is also fine, plus c. That's part A. In part B, we got 5th root of u raised to 6 du. The independent variable is u, like x. So here, let's simplify this or get rid of this radical sign. That is u raised to 6 over 5 du. Now this is same as the last time, like here x raised to n dx, n plus 1 divided by same thing. So here simply u raised to 6 over 5 plus 1. 6 over 5 plus 1. 1 is 5 over 5. So 6 over 5 plus 5 over 5, 11 over 5. So u raised to 11 over 5 divided by same thing, 11 over 5. That's it, plus c. The best we can do is bring to the top. So 11 over 5 is in fact front, means 5 over 11, u raised to 11 over 5 plus c. Okay, part C, we got 1, 2, 3 different terms, so we need to find integral of each term here. T raised to some power, so we're going to use the power rule. So simply this one, antiderivative of first term plus antiderivative of second minus third. Okay, so here t raised to n, so t raised to n plus 1, 5/2 plus 1, what is that? 1 is 2 over 2, so 7/2. T raised to 7/2 divided by 7/2. That is for the first term. Plus, there is 7 times something, so 7 is just 7. T raised to n. So antiderivative is now t raised to n plus 1. 1/2 plus 1. 1/2 plus 1. 1 means 2/2, so 3/2. T raised to 3/2 divided by 3/2 minus 7 times t raised to negative 1/2, again same rule, negative 1/2 plus 1. 1 is 2/2, so just 1/2. T raised to 1/2 divided by 1/2. Okay, that is antiderivative of each of these three terms. And we get plus c plus c plus c, some constant. And we can just write collectively just one constant. Now we are done. We might want to simplify just to write the final answer. I mean, this works, but the best answer is 2 over 7 over 2, because when we change, I mean keep change flip, this becomes to the front 2 over 7. 7/2 plus 7 times this becomes 2/3. 7 times 2 thirds, 7 times 2 14 thirds, t raised to 3 halves, okay, minus 7 times, this becomes 2 over 1, 7 times 2 over 1, just 14 over 1, 14, and we have t raised to 1 half, that is the square root of t, or you can just write t raised to 1 half, same thing, plus constant. And the last question is here, x minus 2 times x plus 7. Okay, it's a product and there is no product rule, so we need to simplify this, multiply these two. Simplify means here we multiply. Let's multiply here, x minus 2, x plus 7, binomial, binomial, that is sometimes called FOIL. First terms, outer, inner, last. You just multiply this way. X is squared, that's the first, outer, inner, last. X times plus 7, 7x, minus 2x, minus 14. We can combine these two terms. So this one is integral of x is squared plus 7x minus 2x plus 5x minus 14 and dx. So now we need to integrate these three terms, okay, and we get answer in next line. So that is antiderivative of xn is xn plus 1 divided by same thing, plus 5 is just 5 times, because 5 times, antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. We can write 5 halves x squared or 5x squared over 2, same thing, minus antiderivative of 14, there is no x, so when we have a constant, that's constant x. Okay, when you have some number and dx, that is just constant times x, because derivative of cx is just c, where c is a constant, okay, some number, constant means, and plus c, final.